welcome back guys to another tutorial from Classic Games United. This week I've been doing a lot of tutorial guys, and tonight I'm doing the next one again for Deadfall Adventures. And it had a lot of bad reviews, but it's a very underrated game, and just like many others I have downloaded the game just to try it, but I wasn't getting the game to start. So if you're like me and you're revisiting an old game like this and you're trying to get it to start and it's not working, then this tutorial is for you, right? So without saying much, let me show you what to do. So if you start the game now from this exe here, I'm sure you see. It will just open. After I will to closes, nothing happens, right? So I'm gonna show you to fix that very easily. Alright, so you're gonna need the Deadfall Adventures update fix from 3DM. Alright, what you will do, go to the game, alright, go to here, go to this location here, and just like copy these files, replace. Alright, and instead of using this exe, you're going to use the Deadfall launcher exe. So you'll launch the game with this, click on it, and your game should open. As you see, it works. So if you're having problems and you're trying to play the game in 2025 and your game is not starting and you're worried and you're getting frustrated, then this simple fix here could fix your problem. Alright, guys, so the reason I do a tutorial on this game because I want to host an event on this soon. But if you're like me and you didn't purchase the game on Steam, you just download this to try it, then I could show you to play multiplayer. You will have everything here, but no one will be able to join your server, right? So I'm gonna show you how to like set up the game to play multiplayer, right? So if you go here, if you create a private match, you will say connect to the lobby, but this will be the name here. Alright, so let's go back. So stay tuned, and then I'm gonna show you how to set up the multiplayer, right? So I'll be back, guys. So once you're back on the desktop, right, you want to delete this old exe, but before you delete it, go to here and make a shortcut of the new exe, which is here. Center desktop, create shortcut. Alright, and just rename this, copy, and delete the old exe. You wouldn't need this again, right? And then you just one shot. Alright, so if you want to play if you want to play multiplayer, you will need the original Steam file from the game, which I had saved here, and you will need to use let me show you what to do, right? This let's know, guys, I'm gonna show you what to do. Alright, so go to here and you'll need Goldberg Emu. Open up Goldberg Emu, go to tools. Alright, open up the game, open up the tools, then you will drag this on the generate interface. You will drag it here and it will create the new interface for you, right? So you will just copy this and you paste it to where your game is here, right? And then you will have to go to Steam emulator again, go to Goldberg, and you're copying this DLL here, this one here. Copy Steam underscore API dot DLL, copy that, go to your game, and then replace it. Alright, and then you have to go to usernames, but you have to start the game, so you go create the folder for the Goldberg. Go to names, username, app data, roaming. So once you start the game, to create this folder called Goldberg Emu Saves, go here, go to settings, go to account name, and make sure you change your name right here. Put your name right here. Once your name is, when you put your name, this yeah. So if you start the game again now, so if you start the game again now, go to multiplayer, and if you go to like public match, you'll see a name here, Classic Games United, right? So that means you could now host your server, and once your friend has the same fix, the same Goldberg Emu fix, they'll be able to join your game. Alright, so that's how you'll play the multiplayer. Alright, so if you want to play this game, you want to host some game nights and events on this game, then join the Discord server, right? So guys, that will be it for this tutorial tonight. I'm just gonna start at the game and show you how it's playing. So I will lock the volume once on the game, right? So you could go to here, change your game, your map. You could go with this map, the mode, the match, start the game. Choose your class. Game is a very different kind of shooter, as you can see. So you could like shoot like different tokens on the map, and it will just spring out traps and stuff. So it's a really fun game, and I would love to host some events on this game. So that's the reason for doing the tutorial. Also, I want to help many people that want to play this game again, and if you're having trouble to start the game, then I just wanted to help you guys. So hope to see you all in the event soon for this game. Join the Discord server, the link will be in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and I will see you in this video to come. Classic Games United out.